Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a Clickup task into a milestone. So let's go ahead and create that task. Now there's a couple different ways to create tasks, as I'm sure you know. There's a couple different keybinds or keyboard shortcuts you could go over here to add task. My personal favorite way is just to do it right here at the very bottom of the list. So I am going to label this milestone and then hit enter for save. Okay, so essentially, milestones are a different type of task that you can create. So then you can have different dependencies and what have you, and different like subtasks to show, hey, this is a big milestone. Is like, let's say in construction, you could say, hey, we have our four-way inspection done, or preparing for the four-way inspection, which would be like your walls, your water, your heat, and electric, I believe is what it is. We built a home a couple years ago. So let's go ahead. There's a couple different ways to do this. You can either click into the task itself, or to do it really quickly, you can click on this little checkbox right here and then go to this square set task type and then click on milestone, and you can see that little circle turned into like a sideways square. So I'm going to go in here, and the way that you would do that through here is you'd come up to the task settings, which is those three little dots right there, and then you go into task type, and then you could change it right there. But from here you can add different dependencies, you can add in different subtasks or sub milestones, and create different relationships between the tasks. So that way you can make sure that your project is the most up to date. But that's how you convert or you create a milestone within your Clickup. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Clickup tutorials down in the description down below.